Pag-uusapan natin another update, another list of PGWP eligible programs, and list of schools na nag-release ng programs na merong postgraduate working permit. Yun ang ganda.
Diba? Makakaipon ka talaga. Pero merong jobs na available. So dito kasi puro sila parks. And then konting tumbling mo lang, nasa US ka na din.
Hindi ganun karami yung competition mo kasi hindi ganun karaming tao eh. Laid back lang. Tapos
it's a very small community. Actually, parang magkakakilala yung mga tao doon.
So, and then of course, may share nyo din to the community na wala namang chance na makapag-aral. Pero kung kayo ay meron naman, then why not grab it? So hi guys, welcome back to our segment with no name yet maraming updates. So I'm Roy, one of the consultants. I'm here with Miss Kath. So pag-uusapan natin another update, another list of PGWP eligible programs, and list of schools na nag-release ng programs na merong postgraduate working permit. So we're here now. Unahin natin si Lambton College. So si Lambton College is located in Sarnia, Ontario. So medyo kung ang basis natin or reference natin is Toronto, this is 4 hours away from Toronto.
4 hours ba?
4 hours. Yeah. 4 hours sinalala ko eh. So 4 hours, ganun siya kalayo from Toronto to...
kasi mas malayo pa siya sa Fanshawe.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
from
kasi 2
London.
hours
2 hours lang si
Fanshawe, yeah.
Parang Baguio lang yung layo.
But, sobrang boring mag-drive papunta sa Lambton kasi sobrang diretso lang yung daan. So, nakakaantok talaga.
Tapos matik. Wala ka ganun ka lang.
True. But, I think, I'm not sure if na-post na yung video with one of my students studying at Lambton. So, sabi ko doon, if you are someone who's looking for a place na gusto mo yung quiet lang, settling down, yung very laid back, correct. So, kasi walang masyadong gagawin dito. Wala kang pagkakagastusan.
Yun ang ganda.
Diba? Makakaipon ka talaga. Pero merong jobs na available. So, dito kasi puro sila parks. And then, konting tumbling mo lang, nasa US ka na din. Diba? Tama?
Kasi boundary na yun eh.
Boundary siya. True. So, one more thing about Lambton College is they do have yung last semester ng program ay
Co-op. Co-op or OJT.
Yes. And ito yung usually paid ang co-ops eh. So, that's one of the advantages of studying at Lambton.
Ayun, naalala ko. Kasi yung paid co-op sila at the last term, tapos wala pa silang binayaran tuition fee.
Correct. So, ngayon, ang average tuition fee at Lambton College ay usually for the 2-year program ay nasa 20,000?
Yeah, 20,000, 24,000, 25 ganyan range. So parang 3 semesters lang kasi binayaran mo. So you will get parang 2 years credential pero yung inaral mo lang is 1 and a half study period. Pero yung sa papeles or sa dokumento mo, 2 years yon. Tapos, syempre, kapag 2 years naral mo, you will get 3 years PGWP. So, very beneficial siya. Nagkaroon ka na ng experience, bayad ka na doon sa experience mo, 3 semester na binayaran mo, tapos tatawid ka pa agad ng trabaho. Which is very highly beneficial when it comes to Lambton. Hindi ganun karami yung competition mo kasi hindi ganun karaming tao eh. Laid back lang tapos
it's a very small community. Actually parang magkakakilala yung mga tao doon and yung nagtatrabaho din sa campus ay native din talaga sila ng Sarnia. Correct. So I wanted to highlight this program, Agribusiness Management. I think it's very timely with today's issue here in the Philippines since ang sabi, I don't know from which department na ang mga tao ngayon, marunong mag-English. Marunong tayo mag-English, but hindi tayo marunong magtanim. Kasi everyone's speaking, yun yung mas priority makapagsalita ng English. But can you imagine na yung technology natin when it comes to farming and agriculture is the same from 10, 20, 30 years ago. We're still using kalabaw.
Yes.
We're still using yung pang-araron na bakal or something. Hindi pa tayo gumagamit ng talagang machine.
Yeah.
Unlike abroad, na lahat ng gamit nila, machine na. Yes, machine na talaga. Again, tao yung nagko-control, but dito sa atin, tao pa rin yung gumagawa. So, I think we can study agriculture abroad, and maybe, just maybe, when we come back here in the Philippines, we can apply what we learned.
Yeah. Actually, meron ako napanood na YouTube video. Tinatackle kasi dun yung parang how they automate everything dun sa business nila. So, ito, related to agriculture pa rin hindi ko na masyado maalala yung video, pero ang pinaka-highlight kasi nun is yung tools na ginagamit nila is somewhat galing abroad, and then the technology also, they learn it from abroad. Na parang one of the leaders in terms of the agricultural business, tinransfer niya yung knowledge of using state of first world country tools for you to really magamit mo ma-maximize mo yung
natutunan mo
and also syempre in reflection to that sa business, mas bumilis yung pag-ikot yun naman talaga it's still business, agriculture, may negosyo pa rin yan. So yung mga businessman, they're profiting from that. Isipin mo, knowledge lang yun and then yung knowledge turned into profits, which is
correct.
Yun naman yung gusto ng karamihan.
Yeah, and they also have business under sustainable agriculture. I think the trend right now, especially we can experience climate changes. Yeah. Diba? Ilang bagyo yung dumaan sa atin the past month, na 4 or 6 na bagyo in just a month. So imagine yung impact ng climate change. And right now, sustainable yung mga sustainability, something yan na yung very in demand. So again, guys, we are promoting something, yung programs that will last you a lifetime. And meron na rin ngayon yung mga EV, electric vehicles, diba? So meron din tayong programs for that. So I highly encourage you guys to check ano yung programs na talagang mag-fit sa demand in today's world. Yeah,
I think hindi lang masyado na-recognize or napapansin ng mga business owners. Kasi pinaka magbe-benefit talaga dito is business owners. Business owners who are nasa agriculture industry, kayo yung pinaka magbe-benefit from this program. It's because sino ba yung nagpapatakbo ng agricultural business? Siyempre, owners. So, sino yung upscale? Siyempre, owners lang din, hindi naman yung workers. So, if you're the type of business owner na parang nakikita mo yung business mo na mag-grow, may transfer mo into a generational wealth. Ito yung perfect.
Generational wealth.
Kasi sunod-sunod na papasa lang naman So, this is one of the perfect, or pag-aralin nyo yung anak nyo na gusto mong ipamana yung negosyo mo, pag-aralin mo. Kasi ang dami na for sure, matatake nyo yung opportunity na may apply dito, and then of course, may share nyo din to the community na wala namang chance na makapag-aral. Pero kung kayo ay meron naman, then why not grab it? Why settle for less?
I also wanted to highlight, before kasi hindi masyadong ino-offer ang paramedics sa Canada. Kasi limited lang siya for domestic students. And surprisingly, and good news for everyone who is after paramedic program, and offered na siya sa Lambton and other colleges. Kung nanonood kayo ng 911 sa Disney Plus. Actually, ako gusto ko mag-paramedics. Kaya lang kasi it's not for everyone. Dahil kailangan marunong ka sa stress management, how you deal with trauma, how you deal with pressure. So, but it's a very fulfilling job and malaki ang bayad.
Totoo. Saka yan, matinding crisis of mind na kailangan.
Correct.
Kasi, kumbaga yung buhay ng tao nyo, 50-50 na. Segundo lang yung bibilangin mo to decide. So, yeah, paramedic, So, mga natin dyan, sa mga interested in terms, lalo na sa mga nasa healthcare or nasa barangay, nasa community, government, yan kasi usual, may mga paramedic talaga dyan, and then you want to upskill your current skill set, tapos you want to go abroad, you want to study abroad, this is the perfect program, and perfect kasi offer na siya sa international students. So, take the opportunity, apply through us.
Yes. And now, moving on to Niagara College, Canada. So, Niagara College is located in Niagara region in Ontario. So, there's na dalawang campus.
Yung Welland.
And
On the lake. Niagara on the lake. Yeah.
So, ang maganda dito sa Niagara College, yung location niya, well, katapat niya talaga yung shopping
Yeah. Yung parang sa atin, outlets. Yung Niagara shopping outlets yung tawagin nila. Parang sa atin, kasi Nubali or Marikina outlet, mga ganyan.
Ano yung Marikina outlet?
Ano po meron? Yung mga outlet sa gas station. Yan. Diyan, marami dyan eh.
Yeah, so anyway, here at Niagara College, marami silang, in fairness, maraming programs pa rin ang available. That is PGWP eligible. They are well known with brewery.
Yes.
However, ang ino-offer nilang program ay winery and viticulture technician. Ay, ano yung viticulture? We'll find out.
Vitamin siguro ng wine.
And they also have greenhouse technician.
Yeah. Ganda ng greenhouse sila.
Maganda yung greenhouse nila, landscape technician. So, marami silang magagandang programs din. They also have the paramedic, if you guys are interested.
Yeah, ayan, ecosystem restoration. So, yung napasok ko kasi yung greenhouse nila. Dami kong halaman ang nakita.
Nakikilala.
Mga halamang gabot.
So, maganda yan kasi, well, dito rin naman sa atin sa Philippines, marami tayong flora and fauna. Marami tayong halaman. So,
mga plantita natin dyan.
yes. So, maganda yan sa Niagara College. And they also have, of course, fitness and health promotion, anything related to IT, which is computer programming, game development, and computer systems technician.
And they also have ECE. So, sa mga teachers na din yan, apply. Yan yung mga programs na pwede nating apply. Again, they also have supply chain. So,
for business
programs. And trades. Siyempre, welding, electrical, carpentry. So, mawala yan. They also have mechanical. So, for the CNC machinists. So, dami. Isa kasi si Niagara College show, mga schools na nag-o-offer ng maraming programs or maraming industries yung kaya lang i-offer. So, definitely, marami kang options for studying. And they also have, yun yung maganda kasi sa mga schools na yun, is they have also network for jobs, which is most of the schools naman meron. And yun naman yung pinapromote ni Niagara College. Next school natin is Algonquin College.
Yeah.
They're located in Ottawa. Main campus nila is Ottawa.
Yeah.
So, they also have Perth and Pembroke campus. Pero main campus talaga nila is Ottawa. Andun din mostly talaga ng mga programs na ino-offer nila. So, when it comes to healthcare, bihira lang din kasi nag-offer ng mga ganitong programs. Like, diagnostic cardiac sonography.
Taray.
Yan, diba?
Yung mga yung mga x-ray yan, di ba?
Yata.
Sonography eh. Ultrasound. Ultrasound. Kaya pag magkaka-baby ka, di ba, sonography.
Ito, diagnostic cardiac tsaka medical sonography. So, if nagtatrabaho kayo, you have the experience, you have the interest na mag-aral ng ganung program, definitely, ito yung recommended. And, syempre, hindi mawala yung mga IT-related programs natin. Meron silang cybersecurity analysis. So, iba to, hindi lang to take security. They also have analysis. And graphic design, intermedia design, interactive media design. So, may mga students kasi ako nag-take nito. before pa. And di mawala, personal support worker. No? So, ang dami nito.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga sila, kumbaga ang dami talaga nag-apply, hindi mauubusan. So, there's still options. Practical nursing, social service worker, yan yung mga related programs nila for and advanced care paramedic. So, previously na-mention natin may mga paramedic programs na in-offer. So, ito advanced care na. And they also have bachelors. So, daming program ni Algonquin na pwede natin maging option for your studies. Ito, surprisingly, meron silang victimology.
Meron silang victimology.
Dalawa pa lang nakikita ko school, Humber College and Algonquin na may victimology. So, yeah. They also have web development, internet application. So, if you're into web dev, definitely this is a must program. Tapos, agriculture, please. If you have the green thumb, ito, agriculture, perfect sa inyo to. Kasi Canada is known for having a huge land mass. So, talagang minamaximize ng mga Canadians yung land mass nila in terms of agriculture. And daming agricultural business or agribusiness doon. So,
may children of the corn.
Yeah.
Yung mga palayan ng corn.
Yeah. So, ang dami. So, hindi kayo mauubusan ng dito, opportunity. Kahit saan kayo magpunta ng part ng Canada. Kahit nasa Toronto man kayo, ang dami doon. Okay? Meron pa ito last na. Applied Nuclear Science Radiation Safety. So, sa mga, this is part of healthcare. Hindi to nuclear,
Paano siya naging part ng healthcare?
Yeah, nuclear science and radiation therapy. Ito yung mga, sa Asian kasi, hindi man ako taga-Asian, pero dati may mga friends ako na nag-work doon. So, nasa nuclear science, radiation sila. So, this is something parang heavy on the, siguro yung mga
chemotherapy.
Yan
kasi
yung
may mga radiation.
Radiation. So, yung, syempre, very technical. Di ko lang alam lahat.
Okay.
So, yun yung mga programs na pwede natin may highlight with Algonquin College.
Okay.
So, yeah, take advantage of it, guys. And next is Conestoga. So, sa Conestoga College, main campus is Kitchener. So, ang dami din nilang campus, dami din nilang programs, but definitely, you will just post and the description below yung list ng programs nila para definitely you can check.
Yeah.
So, highlight ko lang yung napakaliliit.
Kasi ang liit nung pinrint mo. Just so you know, guys, we do have a video about Conestoga College. And Conestoga College, located siya in Kitchener in Ontario. And Kitchener is known as the Silicon Valley of Canada. So, definitely, yun nandyan will be more on the information technology, I hope.
Yes. Marami silang technology-heavy programs, IT programs, nandyan. And then, di mawala mga skill trades. Skill trade programs, di mawala. Kahit anong specialization sa IT, meron sila. Definitely, lagi ko kasi chinecheck din si Conestoga kasi nga, I have students na, or isa to sa mga nire-recommend ko for heavy IT. Kasi ang daming malalapit na companies around the city ng Kitchener na naghahanap ng mga IT people natin dyan. So, definitely, Conestoga is one of your options for your programs.
All right, so I think that's it for this episode. We have 4 schools. Just go check it out, yung mga programs. And if you are interested to study at one of these institutions, you can always connect with us on all our social media pages. And by the way, guys, we are waiving application fees to this school. So take advantage of it. And let us know if you're interested so we can also discuss any type of scholarships that may be available to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!